Hello and good day, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. Today we are going to do a walk around, startup, and a drive video on this beautiful 1985 Chevrolet K10 4x4 Silverado pickup. Now, I bought this truck from a gentleman down in Texas I bought some vehicles from in the past. This truck was a locally owned Texas truck. The gentleman told me he bought it off of his neighbor, and he fully restored this truck. You can look at the pictures, you can watch this video, and you can see this truck is absolutely amazing. Root beer brown metallic is the color. This truck is powered by a 5.3 liter LS V8 engine, 4L60 automatic overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. Man, what a gorgeous truck. It really just kind of, you see I got a little bit of dirt in the bed there. I stepped in there, I was washing it and washing the top of the cab. It really bothers me to even sell this truck, to be honest with you, because man, what a gorgeous ride. You can check out all the body gaps are very, very nice. The body panels are rust-free. This is one gorgeous truck. All new interior. The seat's been recovered. The carpet, the door panels, the bottom panels, the window switches, Dakota digital dash, retro stereo, dual fuel tanks. Okay, it does not have dual fuel tanks. It's got a right-hand tank. The left-hand door is there, but there's no gas tank there. You could put that in there if you wanted to. It's fuel injected, so the pump's in the tank, so they probably figured one is good enough. What a gorgeous truck. Headliner, it's got perforated stock headliner. Visor's in great shape. Dash pad is brand new. Beautiful gauges, Dakota digital dash, windshield wipers, horn. You might see a little dust on it as I'm walking around. You can see it kind of knocks some off the windshield. They're, as you can probably imagine, it's fall time here in Iowa and the farmers are in the field, so there's dust blowing around everywhere. You let something sit out for more than 15 minutes and it's gonna be covered in dust, so. Gorgeous underneath the hood, long tube headers, K10 filter, cold air intake. Aluminum radiator, dual electric fans. Look at the paint on this thing. Yeah, you can see the dust. See that? Sorry about that. I should have dusted it off, I guess, before the video, but I had 4 or 5 sitting out back here ready to picture and video, and like I say, my gal brought them up here right after lunch. It's now about 2 o'clock, so I've been sitting out there for a couple hours, and they got dust on them. We'll blow all that dust off when we go down the highway. The paint on this truck is absolutely gorgeous, though. Look at this thing. It's got the Blazer style rear bumper on it, dual exhaust, stainless steel mufflers, knee deep in rubber, rally wheels all painted with new caps, new rings. The front caps, I don't know why he didn't put front caps on it, but I did order a set of front caps for this truck, so I wasn't going to hold up the picture, video, and marketing it without having them caps, so we just went ahead and did that. Left turn, right headlights. There we go. Radio. Sometimes you can't get these to tune in here when the I'm inside the building. Obviously it's a metal building, so it's hard to tune any stations in here. I was doing that the other day. I didn't think the radio was working, and then I went outside and just come right on. So this truck is not going to be a cheap truck. I will have it priced and on my website here yet today. So this isn't your $25,000 to $35,000 square body. If you're looking for that, probably better keep looking. I do have a couple other square bodies that are 35 to 45, but this isn't one of them. No way you could ever restore this truck for under 60, 70 grand. I mean, it costs a lot of money, and everything on it is done right. You know, the body work is really nice, and he started with a super, super nice truck to begin with. So I took some pictures of the undercarriage. You're welcome to check them out as well. Let's take this bad boy for a ride. Probably shut them headlights off. We don't need those on right now. Here we go. That Dakota Digital dash just looks so nice in this truck. Got to be careful coming through this door so we don't smack my mirrors. There's the blower motor. The radio works. I can't get it to make any sound though. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or what, but we'll get that checked out. Time to blow the dust off her. You can see I'm not see how much that's nothing. You should have seen it earlier. Like crazy. They're just trying to make a living too, so it is what it is. We just kind of got to deal with that in the fall here in the Midwest. What an awesome truck. 70 mile an hour right down the road, 1800, 1900 RPMs. My goodness, what a baby doll this truck is. If you want something that's going to make all your friends jealous, just give us a call, 563-452-2450. Check out our website, www.kinionauto.com, KINION-auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, collector pickup trucks every day, so give us a call. Again, the phone number, 563-452-2450. Give myself or Elvis a call. We'll be glad to take care of you. Really appreciate everyone watching all of our videos. Couldn't do this without everyone. I'll get out and do a walk around here quick on the outside, out in the sunlight. This thing's absolutely gorgeous out in the sun. That metallic just shines. I bought a house here a little while ago, and I took it to this guy's house, and he's like, holy cow, he goes, that's a beautiful truck. I said, I know. Just look at that paint. Look how shiny that thing is. That metallic just sparkles. Beautiful 85 Chevrolet K10 4-wheel drive Silverado. And it's got the best of both worlds. You got the old school look with the new car, new truck performance. Man, the more I look at this truck, the more I just want to park it in my building. I probably won't Somebody's gonna call and buy it. Doors shut, super nice. You go down the road, I got the windows up. You can hear just, you know, like the echo in this truck. Everything's nice and tight. The seals are great. Like I say, the performance and the reliability of a new truck with the old school look. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. Again, KinionAuto.com. Please subscribe to my YouTube video if you have not already. My YouTube channel, that is. Hit that red subscribe button. I'll be back at you here in just a little while with another great collector vehicle, so stay tuned, everyone.